So I just finished up here a quick project mounting a Simrad 4G radar dome on my Judge 265. Used a C-scan pedestal and the Seaview swivel base. This will allow me to swivel the dome out of the way completely for more vertical clearance in the event that I need that. For me, that means being able to get in and out of the car wash and wash the boat. So it's real easy. It's really heavy duty stainless steel hardware. These drop out of the way. At that point, the entire thing swivels up and over, lays right underneath. So now I can get in the car wash, wash the boat. After I'm done, flip it right back up, lock it back into place.